In the vast universe of the human body, a remarkable journey takes place each month. This journey is part of a complex and beautifully orchestrated process that ensures the continuation of life. It is the journey of a tiny egg, filled with the potential for life. This egg, though minuscule, holds the promise of creating a new human being. This journey begins with ovulation. Ovulation is a critical event in the menstrual cycle, marking the release of an egg from the ovary. Ovulation is when a mature egg is released from the ovary. This mature egg is now ready to be fertilized. Think of the ovary as a garden where eggs grow. Each month, one egg matures and is chosen to embark on this journey. Once an egg is ready, it is released into the fallopian tube. This is where it will travel, hoping to meet a sperm for fertilization. This is a crucial step in a woman's menstrual cycle. The timing of ovulation is essential for conception to occur. Without ovulation, pregnancy cannot happen. The release of the egg is a necessary condition for fertilization and the start of a new life. The egg is incredibly small, barely visible to the naked eye. Despite its size, it plays a monumental role in reproduction. Yet it carries within it the blueprint for a new human being. This genetic material is what will combine with the sperm to create a unique individual. This tiny speck of life embarks on a perilous journey, navigating through the fallopian tube, hoping to meet its counterpart, the sperm. If successful, this union will mark the beginning of a new life. The fallopian tube is like a long, winding tunnel, a crucial part of the female reproductive system. It connects the ovary to the uterus, which is where a baby grows and develops during pregnancy. After ovulation, the egg travels down this tube, propelled by tiny hair-like structures called cilia, which gently push it along. The journey through the fallopian tube is a race against time, a critical window for potential fertilization. The egg can only survive for about 24 hours after ovulation, making this period extremely vital. If it is not fertilized within that time, it will dissolve and be reabsorbed by the body, ending its journey. This is why timing is so important when trying to conceive, as the window for fertilization is very narrow. The fallopian tube is not just a passive pathway, it plays an active role in the reproductive process. It provides the ideal environment for fertilization to occur, with conditions that support both the egg and the sperm. The walls of the tube are lined with cells that help to nourish and protect both the egg and the sperm, ensuring the best chance for successful fertilization. If a woman has intercourse during ovulation, her body is in a prime state for conception. This is the time when an egg is released from the ovary and is ready to be fertilized. Millions of sperm will enter her body, each one carrying the potential to create new life. These sperm cells are incredibly small but are equipped with the necessary tools to reach the egg. These tiny swimmers begin an epic journey of their own, racing towards the egg. Only one will succeed. The journey is arduous, and many sperm will not make it to the egg. This is the moment of fertilization. The sperm that reaches the egg first will penetrate its outer layer, initiating the process of creating new life. The sperm that reaches the egg first will penetrate its outer layer. This penetration is a critical step, as it allows the sperm to deliver its genetic material into the egg. This triggers a change in the egg, making it impossible for other sperm to enter. The egg surface alters to prevent any additional sperm from penetrating, ensuring that only one sperm fertilizes the egg. The genetic material from the sperm and egg then combine, creating a single cell called a zygote. This zygote is the first stage of a new human being. Fertilization is a truly remarkable event. It marks the beginning of a new life, a process that has been occurring for millions of years. It is the moment when two individual sets of chromosomes come together to create a unique genetic blueprint. This blueprint is a combination of both parents' DNA. This blueprint will determine the baby's sex, hair color, eye color, and countless other characteristics. Each trait is a unique blend of the parent's genetic material, making every new life truly one of a kind. From one cell to many, the embryo's first steps. After fertilization, the zygote doesn't waste any time. It begins to divide rapidly, creating a cluster of cells. This cluster is called an embryo. The embryo continues to divide and grow as it travels down the fallopian tube. During this journey, the embryo goes through different stages of development. It starts as a ball of cells, then develops into a blastocyst. A blastocyst is a hollow ball of cells with an inner cell mass. This inner cell mass will eventually become the baby. The embryo's journey through the fallopian tube takes about 5 to 6 days. By the time it reaches the uterus, it is ready to implant. A new home implantation in the uterus. The uterus is a muscular organ that is about the size and shape of an upside-down pear. It is here that the embryo will implant itself into the thick, nutrient-rich lining. This lining is called the endometrium. Implantation is a critical step in establishing a pregnancy. The embryo burrows into the endometrium, where it will receive nourishment and oxygen from the mother's bloodstream. This process can take several days. Once implantation is complete, the embryo is officially considered a fetus. The journey from ovulation to pregnancy is complete, marking the beginning of a new and extraordinary chapter.